In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Trust Wallet to Uniswap. Once your wallet is connected, you'll be able to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and access other features available on the Uniswap platform. Let's get started. Click the Connect Wallet button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. A list of supported wallets will appear. From the available options, select Trust Wallet. Depending on the device you're using, the connection process may vary slightly. If you're using the Trust Wallet mobile app, Uniswap may display a QR code or automatically open the wallet through WalletConnect. Open Trust Wallet if it doesn't launch automatically, then scan the QR code using Trust Wallet Scanner. Once the connection request appears in Trust Wallet, carefully review the information being requested. Connecting your wallet allows Uniswap to view your wallet address and token balances, but it does not give the platform permission to move your funds. After reviewing the details, tap or click Connect or Approve to continue. After a few moments, you'll return to the Uniswap interface, where your wallet address or wallet icon should now appear in the top right corner. This confirms that your Trust Wallet has been successfully connected. If you're finished using Uniswap on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to disconnect your wallet when you're done. This helps keep your wallet connection secure. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Trust Wallet to Uniswap.